How to fix Spotify firewall blocking out 74. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and then you have to go directly to apps, and then you have to search for just Spotify. And when you found it, just open it like this and go to the last button here in storage and click on clear data. Click OK, and now you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is go into Play Store and update your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.